Abuse of process refers to the act of using the legal process during a legal proceeding to harass another party to the suit, to intentionally incur costs with the intent that the other party will be ordered to pay those costs, or to delay the court action. Abuse of process is a tort that may be claimed in a subsequent legal proceeding, or argued during the current case. Additionally, abuse of process may occur in both civil and criminal matters. Proving abuse of process requires that certain elements be met. These include 1. There is an ulterior motive, or purpose to the process, and, to the process, or some portion of it, is not proper in the regular course of the proceedings.